Parla tifo azzurro, scrive al TG Napoli e attiva la campagna per non perderla in prima persona e l'ultima notizia dal Napoli. New Napoli star Kvicha Kvaratskhelia will not make his return from injury in the upcoming match against Empoli. The 21-year-old Georgian winger has kicked off his European career in electric fashion, scoring 8 goals and providing 10 assists in 17 appearances across all competitions. He was forced to the sidelines last week with lower back pain, leaving him unavailable for the 2-1 win over Atalanta. As reported by La Gazzetta dello Sport, Kvaratskhelia is not likely to feature for Napoli in their clash with Empoli tomorrow. His injury was only treated by physical therapy yesterday and he carried out no GYM work, so the club aren't likely to immediately rush him back to action. The Georgian winger is more likely to return for the weekend match against Udinese, and he may come off the bench in that game. Kvaratskhelia is currently living in hotel following the break-in he suffered last week, when his car was briefly stolen. Ehi, fan di azzurro? Lascia la sua opinione nei commenti perché è molto importante per il Napoli.